Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make matbucha. Matbucha is one of the most popular Israeli salads made out of cooked tomatoes, garlic, and traditionally pepper. I usually don't make pepper in my recipe. And matbucha in Arabic means cooked. It was introduced to the Israeli cuisine by the Moroccan Jews. What you're going to need today to make the salad is 20 tomatoes, 10 to 12 garlic cloves. You're going to need oil. I use special Moroccan paprika, but if you don't have it, you could just use regular paprika. And of course, salt and sugar and a pot to make the salad in. So follow me, and this salad, this cooked matbucha is the most delicious. It's good for people who don't like too spicy. My Moroccan friend would think that this matbucha is just not spicy enough, but for me and for my friends, we love this recipe and I highly recommend it.